Azerbaijan and Armenia have traded accusations on Saturday of launching new offensives inside the Hedrut area of the Karabakh region, according to the Artsakh Defense Army, who are local forces positioned in southern Karabakh. The Azerbaijani armed forces launched a surprise offensive on the Hedrut area, resulting in 3 soldiers wounded on December 11 at around 8:40 p.m. Azerbaijani armed forces launched an offensive attempt in the southern direction of the military positions of the Artsakh Defense Army. As a result of skirmish, 3 servicemen from the reserve personnel are wounded. They reported they would add the news circulating in the Azerbaijani media that the Artsakh Defense Forces initiated a military provocation in the direction of Hedrut, as a result of which an Azerbaijani serviceman wounded doesn't correspond to reality. Meanwhile, the Azerbaijani media accused the Armenian forces of attempting to infiltrate across the line of contact, which, as posted above, was denied by the Artsakh Defense Army. Today's hostilities between the 2 warring parties marks the first time since the November 9 Moscow agreement that clashes have broken out between the Azerbaijani armed forces and Artsakh Defense Army. The Russian Ministry of Defense has yet to comment on the accusations from both sides. Their forces are currently present in the Karabakh region now.